Parents were being harassed. This fucking slut said his family was scammed by Pizza Hut. None of it was true. This fucking dude just tried to get the lunch money from the little kids, and it ain't funny. This fucking dude is so damn rude and so damn crude. He should be muted for the end of time. BVTV is a crime, a criminal lying for donations. He masturbates to gay porn nation. He's a whining crier with a victim card, trying to be on the channel of Drama Alert and Killer Keemstar. This is my country song that I made up on the spot, because unlike you, alright, fuck this goddamn piece of shit. This goddamn, I was feeling it, and then it fucking went a complete different direction. Fuck this guy.